Good morning, Mr. Sudhir. How are you?
Yes, sir, I'm doing good, sir. How are you?
I'm so good. Thank you for asking. And first of all, congratulations on clearing your chartered with wealth management certification with us. How does it feel after that getting the chartered designation?
Thank you so much.
All right. Sir, before we start the session, I would like to brief you about the motive that why are we recording this session. Right. So basically, we are recording this session so that we can share your experience with us new CWM aspirants, which will motivate and assist them in clearing this certification in a better way.
Right, okay.
Uh, So shall we start now?
Yeah, please, please.
Yeah, great. Thank you. All right. So first of all, can you just tell me your complete name, your city, your background, qualification, and your experience?
Okay, yeah, well, thank you. My name is Sudhir Mishra. I belong to Mumbai. I have the
Mhm.
total work experience of 14 years. In which 12 years is fully dedicated towards capital market. I'm a graduate in economics with just with a diploma in business management.
Yeah. And so also can you let me know why did you join the CWM certification with us?
Okay, yeah. See, CWM is something which is helping to enhance these skills in the wealth management. Basically, what we have found, according to the current trend, that this financial market is going to be completely on the advisory rule. We
Mhm.
were associated with the branch, and we were punching the trades for the client, explaining them about this single product, which is which is literally the equity market only. But the future is going to be different as the country is also growing, people are also growing. These this just the purchasing power of the clients are also increasing, which means investment will also be increased by them.
Right.
So to provide them the better advisory service, you have to be skilled. And to increase my that skill, I have joined the CWM program.
All right. That's great, sir. And so can you also let me know what's the best thing you like about in the CWM program?
The best thing is that this CWM is having the vast and better perspective of all the segments in the financial market. Those are available across global. Second thing, robust knowledge of wealth management, which include the theory as well as the practical working, is going to be helping in the future also. Because when you are going into this wealth management thing and you are sitting in front of the client, you have to know his what is his behavior.
Mhm.
So many things are actually there. Mm, it will take a long time if I will start explaining. But yes, this CWM has given so many questionnaires. What questions can be asked to the clients to just to recognize his current conditions. So these things are seriously has increased the knowledge as well as enhanced the skills, as well as it has given confidence also. See how
Great,
to
sir.
face the client, those who are HNI, ultra HNI, or they are sitting some other part of the world, they are prone to some other kind of risk. How you can handle them? This program has given those instructions in detail.
That's great, sir. Great. Okay, so can you also let me know how did this course is benefiting you, or how did this course will benefit you in future now?
Yes. Currently, actually, my this certification has helped me to eligible for the promotion. Okay,
Mhm.
just I'm going to be promoted for the some other management level, which is upper from this. Second thing, it has opened me the lot of scope in the other companies also in terms of salary hike. Just for example, if I am currently at I talk about this some company for which I am just giving interviews. They have given me more than 60% hike as
Mhm.
for my at this moment, according to my current salary package, they have given more than 60% hike. So these two things are has just really are the best outcome after this course.
That's wonderful to hear, sir. All right, sir. Any advice or any suggestion you would like to give to our new CWM aspirants?
Yes, first thing I want to tell them that they have to read all those things just very properly because when you are going into deep you
Mhm.
will be getting a lot of things are there mentioned. Your basic must be clear. Second, the mathematical part. If you are get into the mathematical part, it is not complicated. Maths are simple. They are not complicated. You have to think about the basic before starting any calculation. It will help you to clear the exam very fast. I have cleared uh, after few attempts. Just when I try to find out where I am failing actually, that time I found these two things. I have not worked on my basics. Second, I have not worked on the mathematical things because questions are there. Those are related with the basic things. not on the complicated part. So if these two things are clear, it's easy for them to clear this exam very fast. Yes.
So, sir, it was great listening to your experience regarding the certification you completed with us. All right, sir. So,
Yeah.
last question: any feedback regarding the AFM India and the staff, how they help you while completing the certification, how the team
Okay.
reacted? Yeah.
In terms of staff, I have not found any kind of discrepancies.
Mhm.
Everyone is good. Prompt responses were there.
All right, sir.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so
sir.
much.
Thank you for joining the session. Have a great day ahead and great. Thank you, sir.